Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is January the 22nd on a Monday. Impressive move on Friday in the SPY, closing at all-time highs. The same can be said about the Qs. Let's see what happens. Let's dive into some setups here. A couple of stocks I'm going to give you are kind of a little bit outside the box, looking for pullbacks. First is this PLTR. Popular AI stock. I like what I'm seeing here as far as trying to get above this area of resistance right around the 17 level. And you can see going back in the chart, this is a pivot level. So if it can get above it, that's one I'm going to watch maybe for a partial entry in that. I like the idea of breaking the downtrend and breaking that level of resistance. Another one that I'm watching is PATH, P-A-T-H. Kind of the same scenario here, but not so much with resistance, but I do like the 50-period moving average, hanging onto that and gapping up today above this 10-period moving average. These are kind of stocks where I may take a half a position and let it build. S was also on my list today, although this is one I bought on Friday, but it is seeing a gap up this morning on a huge upgrade from, I can't remember who it was. Real quick, stocks that may be setting up better. Amgen. Very powerful chart here, looking for a break above this all-time high. You can see my price alert in there. That's one to watch. Monday.com, it is gapping up, which would be not an all-time high. This is more of a kind of a stock that's making a recovery, but look for a break, above that 200. Could be strong there in MNDY. Let's see. ACMR, let's take a look at it real quick, and this will be the last one. Like the way it's had a nice move, pulled back, bouncing off its 10-period moving average. There's quite a few others in there, guys. If you have trade ideas, please take a look at those. There's some nice setups. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep it tight. Bye-bye.